How to solve Rubik's Cube 4x4. First we scrabble the Rubik's and we start doing it. First you have to start with white. In Rubik's Cube 4x4 it's not same like 3x3 or 5x5 or 7x7. Those go like when there is a white, behind the white is yellow, orange, red, blue, green. In this 4x4 you don't find those, you have to do it yourself. Okay, we start with white center. In Rubik's Cube 4x4 you have to do it same way like you have 3x3. Finish the centers, finish the same edge, like same color, same, and when you finish those centers and edges, you finish it like 3x3. Okay, we start with white. There is two line here, it's already fixed. We find another white here. See it? To match it, you have to go this way and you line them up. When you line it, turn this way and make it. That's first one. We say white, yellow. We find another yellow. There is one here and one here. You do this way, go up and you slide it. It's fixed. Now we messed up the white. We go back and we fix it. Now we line. To make this one here, you have to line them together, same way, yellow, yellow, and you do like this move, and you fix it, white, yellow. Now we go with orange. Orange, there is one here, and there is another one here. Match them, as a line. Find another orange. Here, there is two of them already fixed. Just turn it 2 times, you fix it. Orange, we say after orange, red. We do red one. Red, there is 2 here. Just go this way, put them here, and we have orange. Okay, this move, to line those together, you put this one in this place, and you make like a little L, different way, and you go up, turn this way, go down, and you fix it. Okay, now we have the last one, orange, blue and green. Blue green, we do same algorithm. You see the one I did earlier. Okay, like L, you put the blue here, and you go up and you turn and you go down and you fix it. Okay, now everything is fixed. Okay, blue, all of them. Now we fix the edges. Edges, you have to find the same color, yellow, orange, whatever you find, go first. Okay, this go here. When you go here, you do turn it this way, you match them, and you go one of those places here not solved, you go up and you take the one not married. Okay, and you put them down and you fix it. Okay, now we fix this one and this one. Another one, we find this one here, the same, go this go here, okay, go up again, find non-solved, put them this way and put them down. Okay, same stuff with all of them. We find another one. This, they are in same line. When they are on same line, you go up, turn it this way, go this way, you see, and same way. Okay, now they are in the same place. You fix them. Okay, find another one. White and red, white and red, white and red. Okay, white and red. Put them here together. Go up, find non-married one, and put them together and fix it. Same with the other one. Find this one, white and orange, white and orange here. Go up, find non-married one, put them down, and go. Another one. This one go with this one. This one. This one go here. This go here. This go here. Put together. Find non-solved one here and put it down and fix it. We have now we find all of them. We still have this one here, here, and this go here. Match them. Here it's all solved. Turn it the opposite and find some here up. This non-solved. Put them down. Put them down and fix it. Now we have this one and this one non-solved. Go up. This one go here. Find non-solved. Put them down and put them together. Okay. Now we have Allah. This one here, this one, and this one here. Okay. Ooh. When you have something like that, not much, go back this way and put them here. This solved, and this is here solved. When they are all of them solved, you find non-solved in the back here. See, this one in the back. You put it up. You fix this one, because this non-solved, you take the non-solved one and put them down, and you fix it. Now everything fixed. Sometimes you find some algorithm, one time you find those in different way, like this edge pairing. He'd be like orange, orange, red, red, blue, 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 blue. Same edge. Like this option here. See? The same line, but you can fix them. Thus you do this algorithm here. Double D, right, front, up, right, front, and you go down and you fix it. This algorithm. Pairing edge, just double D, R, F. F prime means counterclockwise. U like up, right, front, double D, double D, double D. This double D, double D, right, R prime, right, R prime. Okay. Now we finished the one. The edges, everything. Now we go do it like 3 by 3. Okay, to do the 3 by 3, you know the algorithm. Just go 3 by 3 and you see how we do the first layer, second layer, and the bottom. Now we do the daisy. The daisy, we match the colors and we go down. We match the colors with the white and center, red, white and red center, red. We match the color and we go down. The blue one, we go down, and now we have the cross. Okay, now we match the corners, same like 3 by 3. This one, you see, red, when a red match the center, the white one stay in the right side, like 3 by 3. Remember 3 by 3, if you go by 3 by 3 you find these algorithms. Here orange right side, you fix the corner again, this one here, orange left side. Okay, now we fix the first layer. Okay, now we do the second one, same like 3 by 3. When this you have to put in the right side, you put in the left side. Just go 3 by 3 and you find this algorithm. I already explained them in 3 by 3. Okay, this in one place, this in one place. Now you have to find take this one off. Okay, when you take them off, you fix the white. Okay, and you do like, yeah, this go right side, left, right side. Okay, and you do it right side to fix it again, and do the other one too, same way. This in one place, take off, right. Okay. Okay, right. Go here. This one, go here. Go here. Now we fix the second layer, same way like 3 by 3. Now we go the last one, the yellow one. Okay, this same algorithm like the other one. Here, when you have this algorithm here, this figure here, this you have to flip him. To flip him, you go with this one. RU 2 times X means you flip the Rubik's Cube one way. Okay, RU2, RU2, R prime means counterclockwise, U2, L, U2, R prime, U2, R, U2, R prime, U2, R prime. Remember this algorithm, write it down, and remember, I want to show you how to do it. Okay, R one time, 2 time up, and you do X, R 2 times, R 2 times, R prime 2 times, L 2 times, R prime 2 times, R 2 times, R prime 2 times, R, and you fix it. Now we do it like 3 by 3, same method. Okay, the fish, you remember the fish, same again, and you fix the top one. Now we fix the corners and the last layer. We need to find matching color. You know the method I show you in Rubik's Cube 3 by 3, same way. Okay, now it's fixed. But sometimes the Rubik's Cube came like that. He came like that. He don't get finished, and you have blue and green the opposite. This algorithm you have to do this one. 2R2 U2 double R 2 times, U 2 times, double R 2 times, and up 2 times. Remember this algorithm. Okay, now I show you how to do it. First we say R, second R 2 times, okay? And you do it 2 times, and we do it again 2 times, and we double R, W. Here you do 2 times, and you do it this way, and you fix it. Just go slowly in my Rubik's Cube, and I do it again for you. Okay, we say 2 times, up 2 times, this one 2 times, okay, and we do it here, and we go this one 2 times, we go 2 times, okay. Now we messed up the Rubik's Cube, we do it again. You see the first one here 2 times, again 2 times, we go 1 2 2 times, and we do it again, and we fix it. Okay, now we solve it. Thank you for watching.